Good morning, friends. Welcome to Daddy's Garden, managed by kiddos. My kids Ayush and Akshara managing along with me this beautiful garden. This is the new liking which we developed during the lockdown, and I would show you my small garden. I'll take you around to my small garden and how it has bloomed, how it has grown, what all we have planted. I will just show you. So basically, to start with. This is garlic. This is about 2 weeks old, and it's growing very well. You can see the very beautiful green leaves have come in. Next to that, both these plants are basically beans. Uh, there are a lot of beans coming. You can see a tiny one here and here. It has been producing a good number of beans every day. Next you can see is the tomato plant. So you can see some beautiful tomatoes also which have come. It's a very healthy plant, given a lot of fruit. And this is about 3 months old. The plant is about 3 months old. Next you can see this is the chili plant. Chili plant again, it was attacked by white fly. Now also you can see there are a lot of white flies, but even after it has given a lot of fruits. You can see few chilies are about to bloom. Few flowers have just fallen, so the chilies will start coming in there. This is again a tomato plant. This is carrot. You can see beautiful growth of the plant. You can see that I have planted 4 carrots. These are my son's favorite, and maybe another 1 month we should be able to harvest it. This is muskmelon, both the plants. This has not grown well. This is doing very well, and a few flowers also have bloomed in, and should get some fruits shortly. This is a ginger plant. Is about 4 months. This was the first plant which we planted during lockdown, and it's beautiful growth. You can see a few ginger also. You can see one here, you can see one there also. Yeah, that's the one. So few gingers you can see, but lot of gingers would be there inside, which would slowly, after another 2 months probably we should be able to harvest it. This is pudina. Pudina is not growing as well, too great, but we are still hopeful to it to grow. This is one more tomato plant. You can come next. This is basically a cucumber plant. It had given a few cucumbers as well, and waiting for a few more fruits to come. Next is the one which is going up. This is the bottle gourd plant. You can see a few flowers also have come in. A lot of flowering has happened, and now we should get the fruits. Another bottle gourd plant. Both were planted together, but somehow this has grown very well, but this has not done that well. This is still struggling for the growth. Yeah, this is basically baby spinach. So baby spinach has grown well. Another 15 days maybe we will be able to harvest it. It's doing very well. This is dhania. Very good growth. Initially it was struggling, but it has now set up very well. This is methi, fenugreek. Again doing good. So probably another 15 days should be ready for harvest. This is the red spinach. Again beautifully growing, good growth as such. Corn. This is corn. It has grown very well. Good development. So total 2 corns I have planted. 2 plants I have planted here, and one is growing little slow. One is growing very well. Both probably another 2-3 months should be giving the fruits. The one which you can see up is basically bitter gourd plant. You can see few bitter gourds also here. can see the fruits here. Yeah, you can see fruits here. It has given a lot of fruits, lot of, you know, you can see fruits here also as well. So, bountiful of bitter gourds. Next you can, this is a lemon. It is not doing well, probably because of heavy rain. It is not established well, it's falling. This is one more musk melon. Again it has started flowering, so should get the fruits maybe shortly. This is one more chili plant. It was not giving fruits earlier, but now you can see a lot of flowers have come. You can see two flowers here, you can see one flower here also. So a lot of flowers have started coming in. We can see some chilies coming in. This is one more tomato plant. You can see a lot of tomatoes, still not ripe, but very healthy. Few tomatoes have come in. One more tomato plant. There are few tiny tomatoes here. It would take another 1 week, 10 days to harvest. Next, both are the chili plants here. This plant also had almost died because of the whitefly attack, but now it has started regrowing and again started giving flowers. I had cut off almost all the leaves of it and it has regrown. You can see a few chilies also which has come in. You can see chilies. I harvested yesterday also about 10 chilies. You can see one more here. So a lot of chilies have started. A lot of flowers are there again. So it would give few more chilies now shortly. Next is the soft plant. Soft plant is growing again really good. You can see. You can taste it also. This tastes as good as soft. But I'm not cutting off the leaves, but because otherwise its growth will stop. Next is the sweet neem, curry patta basically, and that is not growing well. I have just planted to, you know, see if I can grow it, but it's not developing as well. Next is spring onion. Again, probably due to heavy rain, it has not developed well. But I have already taken 2-3 harvests of spring onion, but this time I think it is because of rain. It is slightly spoiled. This is about my small garden, and I thank you for watching us, and please subscribe our channel Daddy's Garden, managed by Kiddos, and keep encouraging, keep giving us your feedback. We will be putting lot of informative videos for your requirement. You can also ask for any specific queries you have. We will be very happy to answer your queries. So please subscribe and encourage us. Thank you. Thanks for watching us.